Okay, remove all the screws at the back side. So 1, 2. Here inside this there are few screws. Here it is one screw. Inside this there are two screws. So you have to remove this panel as well. Okay, so you have to remove this all the screws. You have to remove this padding and then remove the screws. So here is one screw and on this side there is another screw available. So you have to remove this screw, don't forget. And another two screws are there. So inside this, so you have to remove this stick, rubber stick on this side and this side as well. So you have to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 screws from the back panel. Now take out the back panel. Okay, so the components I will tell you. So this is a battery. So lithium ion battery is there. Then we have hard disk here. A CD-ROM slot is here. Then we have here a fan. Then processor is inside this. The RAM is available here, and all the ports are available here. Okay, so you can fix now S2 on this. Now I am fixing this WD green, that is solid state drive. This is M2 drive. It is 240 GB green slot. Okay, these are the pin slots available for this. Okay, on the back side you'll get like this. So 240 GB and the speed is very good for this. Near to the battery there is a M2 slot is available here. So we need to fix this M2 hard drive here. There is a one screw, so you have to remove this screw and then fix here this M2. Okay, so I'm going to remove this screw now. Okay, screw is removed. Now take out the M2 drive. This is the M2 drive. It's a flash drive. Okay, so this is M2. The specification is written on this. There is 240 GB green SATA SSD M2.0 2280 and the port pins are available here on the back side, this like this. Okay, so I'm going to fix it this on this particular slot. So it is like this fixing. Okay, once you have inserted that, just hold this here and attach one screw here so that it is fixed one. Tight the screw. Okay, all right. Now fix the panel just like this. Temporarily fix the panel and disable the original main hard drive from here. Okay, and then start installing the OS. Continuously open BIOS and then to press escape key while booting on and go to F10 for BIOS setup. So press F10 here. So it will open the BIOS setup. So you'll get all the information about the system here. Okay, go to the hard drive configurations. So go to this. Here it is, hard drive configuration. So you'll get here hard drive has been enabled and disabled. Okay, go to OS boot manager, press enter. So here it is taking Toshiba. So press enter to change. So it's not detected it. Now I have connected a USB stick here, which is a recovery partition available, and just booted from that USB stick, and it is recovering and it is installing the OS on the M2. But for this I have disabled the original hard disk because already the recovery partition and OS is available on recovery hard drive. So I have disabled that and just I am installing from here. Okay, we'll wait till it's going to complete. Once it is done, you can click your country, then click on next. So select your language. It's very fast, so you can skip for second keyboard layout. Just a moment, it will load within a fraction of a second. So if you don't want to access the internet, I don't have internet, then continue with limited setup. Click on this. We start. So you can observe the booting time is very fast. Now it shows the Windows license agreement. Click on accept because we are using licensed window for this. So put your name for the computer. Click next. Then it asks password. If you want to enter a password or just keep, will turn on, and click accept privacy settings. Then click on yes for device history. Click on accept again. So this is for HP Protector history. So here you have to enter your details for warranty. So region you have to select. Press I. Select India. Then put an email ID. For registering product, tick these 3 options and just click next. That's all. Your windows are ready, so you can use this windows is ready for use. Okay, so it's very simple to connect M2 on a regular laptop. Okay, thank you for listening. So if you like this video, please press like button, and if you're not subscribed my channel yet, please press subscribe button and also press notification bell icon for next upcoming updates. Thank you.